How to add a customer in CoreXBiz. Open Clients from the WordPress admin menu. This is your customer directory for people and companies you sell to. You can switch between Card View and List View. We will stay on Card View for this walkthrough. Click Add Client to create a new customer. When we add a customer in CoreXBiz, the experience feels fast and app-like. Information updates immediately without the constant page reloads normally associated with WordPress. CoreXBiz adds this modern, reactive working layer on top of WordPress and WooCommerce, while keeping the existing store, customers, products, and sales data connected. Fill in the basics. We will add Jordan Blake at North Pier Media with email, phone, and address. Open Add More Details, then set client type. CoreXBiz supports retail, corporate, VIP, and other types. For this example, we create a corporate customer. Click Create Client to save the customer into the directory. Confirm Jordan Blake appears in Clients. From here, you can invoice, estimate, or open the profile. Open the customer with View or Edit on the card to review or update details, then close when you are done. That is how you add a customer in CoreXBiz, and how retail, corporate, and VIP types fit into the same create flow.